I'm off to see a new daily to replace the 640D. So we've got my little mate. We're going to go and look at new cars. I need air to make sure it's big enough. We'll get our baby seated. I need to check the boot as well. I want something that will fit in bikes. I love this 640D, but the one downside for me is not being able to get the bikes in here. So I need something the seats will go down. And yeah, I could do if I took both wheels off and twisted the bars and all that stuff. I'd rather just something a little bit better for these two. I've got one, other one's at school. I've got two dogs. I've got, yeah, bikes. Yeah. Let's find something a bit more practical today. So, just pulled up to Pride and Performance, said hello to Nick, he's off out to collect a car, and the legend just gone, there's the keys, help yourself. So we can have a look around, no problem at all. Yeah. Oh, we've got a little one. Hello. Which one do you like? Which car? Which one? Pick one. Pick one. Black, blue, yellow. Which one? You like that one? You want that one? It's probably dearer, that one, isn't it?
Probably.
Nice, that. I like the wheels on that one. Which one do you like?
The blue one.
The blue one. I like the blue one as well. It's just come into stock, so it needs to be prepped. So there's a few marks on the wheels and stuff, but it does look nice. So have a proper look round, but also he's left me the keys for this fella here as well. I'm gonna have a nosy around these because I do like these. I just know they have horrible fuel pump issues, so have a nosy at that. That. He's got some nice stuff here, hasn't he? This is what I wanted to check out, was how big this was for dogs, bikes, cars. We've got a new driver. Say hello, Athena. Athena, you driving? Beep, beep. What do we think? You get you in the back. You jump in. Come on, we'll do the boot test. Jump in. Jump in. Come on. In you go. Come on, boot test. Come on. I'm trying to. Hang on. Does that not do that on the key? That's a little Porsche already, isn't it? Has she got out? She's gone.
She's out.
Athena, wait there. Wait there. Wait there. Watch out. Boot test done. Right. That's sound. We know she fits.
I mean, I'll fit in pretty much anything. That really counts.
I mean, okay. Athena, not that one. You like the yellow one? Oh dear. Just walk around, touch everything. Sorry, Nick. We'll clean the handprints off. Athena, wait there. As well, we like this one. We could replace the Clio with this, couldn't we? Oh, it's got the nicer seats in, I think. Keyless entry on this is cool as well. Nice wheel. Athena, what do we think to this one?
Weenie.
Get in the boot with this one, Heather. Do you like that? Come to look at that, and that is nice. Quite a decent sized boot in there as well. Macan? Macan, which one are we doing? Do fancy that as a daily to replace the 640D, but then that would replace the Clio and the 640D, so. I love Nick. He said, just grab your car seat and go for a drive, and the other guy will lock the unit up. Absolute legend. I've known Nick since about 17, 18 years old. Used to be a detailer, but obviously through cars, know everyone, don't you, kind of thing. Heather on the way here was like, how do you know him? I was like, known him forever kind of thing. So let's get the baby seat out of this one. And put it into the pork and see what the kid thinks. What do we think, Athena? You like this one? Never take your kids to buy cars. Never take expensive women either. You like this one, don't you?
Yeah, this is the car that I wanted.
I like this. That is genuinely a really nice car to drive. I really like that. However, just while it's here, I'm going to take it out.
I'm not even started filming it, you started talking.
Tell me when.
Go on then.
Is it recording? No, it was recording, wasn't it?
No, because I hadn't started it.
Okay.
But now that you're being Billy Big Bollocks, go for it.
So I think I'm happier driving this because this is what I'm used to. But I do need to be sensible. I'm pulling up to customers in a bright yellow Megane probably isn't the best impression for me. So graphic designer pulling up in this might look like a bit of a child. And on the times I have pulled up in the Clio, people have asked me if it's your car, Heather, which I find quite telling because it is a little girly car. It's quite funny. But yeah,
Are you saying that I would drive a little girly car?
I'm saying it is a little girly car and it looks weird for me to drive. But I don't feel like this is the
Or maybe people ask you that because you have 3 cars.
Maybe. And then occasionally I drive yours as well. So going to work in this, I don't think my customers would be like, what are you doing in that? It's a big bright yellow Megane, you know what I mean? And it goes pop, 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 which is quite funny and leery. And I think it'd be fine if this was a third car, but if this was my main daily car, I don't think it's for me, unfortunately. As much as I love this, I'd have to sell the Clio to buy this instead. This would replace the Clio. It's too similar, isn't it? Like so. Unfortunately, it's not going to be the Megane.
Athena, what sounds does the car make?
Do this deal on this Megane. Bye, Heather. Bye, Athena. I think I'd like that as much as I like that. That is an absolute riot to drive, but I agree with Heather. It is a bit loud and leery, and I've got 2 of them already. So, is it time to buy something a bit more grown up? 640D is rapid. That doesn't feel as fast in standard form. That is better for dogs, bike, cars, blah, 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 all that usual. I do like it, and I did like having a Porsche. Let's see what happens. These are awaiting prep at the moment. I do like that one as well. Grey's a bit more subtle than the blue, isn't it? Later car. Let's have a look at the spec bits on it first. I do prefer these wheels, annoyingly. I wonder if we do a bit of a swap. I think that's because I had the 5 spokes on my last Cayman as well. Oh, look at that though. Like, keyless entry on the Renault is a boss, but then as soon as you walk around and do anything with it, they close off. That'll be gone now, hang on. There you go, locked. Grey or blue? Be rude not to have a look, wouldn't it? Gem. Panda. Beautiful. I'm racking my head between these 2. I love that, but I love the grey one's wheels. Kind of wish that wasn't parked there. The Megane's funny to drive. Pops, bangs, burbles. I've got 2 of them already though, haven't I? When Nick comes back from picking up this other Macan, which might also be of interest, let's have some words. Been sat in the cafe absolutely racking my brains. I'm sat back in the BMW now. Nick's on his way back. I'm in 2 minds about this Porsche. I'd like a pan roof. I like having the sunroof in this. I think I'd miss that. Am I going to hold out for a car with better spec? Like, that blue's gorgeous. Not many of them come in that colour. It's got nice wheels, although I do prefer the wheels off the grey one. So if that could be negotiated, that might be a bit of a swayer for me. I hate buying new cars. I've had this one for 2 years. Now, as much as I love selling cars to buy new cars, I still hate buying cars. I don't tend to buy off dealers, I tend to buy privately. But obviously, coming down here now, Nick's amazing. He's gone, there's the keys, take them out for as long as you want, trade plates are there, help yourself kind of thing. I've had a good like nosy around them. The cars are presented very well, high spec. I hate buying cars.